Tell me make, model, year of your bike.
This is a BMW double R.
Okay.
So this is a sport bike. This is like my third bike.
Your third bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
The year is 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
How long you been riding?
About 2 years.
2 years. Okay. And so you always big fan of BMW?
Yeah, I love BMW and Kawasaki.
BMW and
My first two
Kawasaki.
bike was Kawasaki 300 and 600.
Ah, okay. So then you went to a 1000?
Yeah, they went 1000.
Okay. That's a good jump. What's your riding style? Highway, city? What do you like to ride?
I like tracks and.
You like tracks?
Yeah.
Oh, which track do you go to?
North Carolina NC bike.
Ansi bike? Okay. You've been there lots of times?
2 times.
2 times?
Yeah,
You did this on the track?
Nah, I did it on the street.
On the street. Cool. Your first time here?
No, it's my like. I've been a long time that I came.
You keep coming here?
Yeah, I would like to.
Yeah, you like, you know.
Yeah,
But
I like
today
it.
your first time or no?
Yeah.
Today your first time. That's what I'm saying. Today your first. Welcome, welcome. That's good. Nice to have you. Very nice group of people.
Yeah.
Good. Nice
Everybody
meeting
tell
you.
me. Nice
You know?
to meet you too.
You know? Good, good.